In order to take gesture screenshot on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, first of all, we're gonna check if the gesture is enabled. In order to do so, we can open settings, then over here scroll down and go to gestures, and over here we have 3-finger screenshot. Over here, of course, we can enable and disable the gesture. So now all you need to do is press and hold with 3 fingers anywhere on the screen in order to capture the screenshot. There is also one more gesture, and it is in quick launch. This is the tap back gesture. We have to double tap the back of the phone in order to do something, and we can assign the gesture to take a screenshot. Over here, if you go to the settings, you should be able to select take screenshot. Over here we also have try it out button that allows you to figure out how to use the back tap gesture. In my case, I usually just tap somewhere over here in this place, so if I double tap here, I should be able to take the screenshot. And that's pretty much it. These are all gesture screenshots that we can do on this phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.